Even active individuals sometimes can benefit from walking support and the ability to take short rest when they're on the go. Drive Medical's folding rollator offers the perfect solution to ensure stable, independent mobility every step of the way. Even though this folding rollator weighs only 12 pounds, it safely supports up to 300 pounds. This makes it a very transportable and convenient walking support that users can take with them wherever they go. The rollator's lightweight folding frame also makes it easier for the user, or companion or caregiver to lift in and out of a vehicle or store it away. The backrest folds up or down for easy storage and can be removed as needed. For a confident, secure grip, the height of these ergonomic handles is adjustable. By unscrewing this knob, users can move the bar to select their desired handle height. Then they turn the knob in the opposite direction until it's tight and securely in place. The wide padded seat and backrest are not only soft and contoured for comfort, but they are also seamless and cut and split resistant to prevent rubbing and irritation. The strong polyurethane material is also long-lasting. And this convenient zippered pouch underneath the seat provides privacy and security when toting personal items. When it comes to safety, 6-inch wheels and soft grip tires add stability on various indoor and outdoor surfaces. In addition, these loop locks operate like a bicycle handbrake to lock the wheel by simply pushing down on the handle. This folding rollator comes in 5 attractive color options. Users also have the option of adding a basket, cup holder, and patented Light and Go mobility light. And for added convenience, the rollator can be stored and carried in this compact carry bag. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.